Hi, hello, good day once again. Um, so in this episode, I'll be showing us how to file our CIT returns using the TaxPro MAX platform. Um, we discovered that many people are having issues trying to file their returns, and because, especially for those that the accounting year ends in December 2020. The 6 month grace period that you're supposed to use to file, which ends in June. So we know some people have been worried and have been in a state of dilemmas because they were unable to file their returns through the TaxPro platform. So today I'll be showing us how to navigate through the platform, how you can file your returns easily. Like I said, it is essential that we note that TaxPro platform has come to stay. So we should not think that if you don't get it right, you're going to probably do a manual filing. No. Going forward, this is what the government has intended to do, and this is how we're going to keep filing going forward. So it's just very important that we get hold of it once and for all and make do with it. So the first thing you need to do, this is how your platform comes out, your TaxPro MAX. When you log in with your login details, this is how it comes out. So when you click on tax due, then you see your CIT. So I'm going to show you how to navigate through because there's a payment we are currently working on as we want to use as a sample. So this is what is going to come out. Then you click on process. So then when you click on process, it's going to generate all the relevant heads for you to fill in. And when you fill in each of them, you're going to proceed. That is how it works. So let me click on one and I'm going to show you one, then you're going to try the rest yourself. So when you click on revenue, for instance, so it's going to come out like this and show you. And the next thing you need to do is what? Is to click on the currency which you're paying in, which is Naira, of course. So when you click on Naira currency, you type in the amount you're paying, for instance, then you click on proceed. Do you understand? So when you click on proceed, it's going to show that the revenue has been imputed. Do you understand? So you cannot go back to the next one. So the next on the list is the non-current asset schedule. So the non-current asset, you need to put in the cost of the asset, the depreciation, the percentage of the depreciation, then you get your carrying value. That is your cost minus depreciation, give you your current value. Your current asset, you click in, you have to fill in the details. The moment you fill in the details, you click on your proceed. Same thing happens for your cost of sales. But I must say this, that it has been arranged in such a way that if you don't complete the first one, you can't go to the last one. So it has to be arranged chronologically. So as you are taking the revenue, it has to follow by non-current asset. If you don't click non-current asset, if you don't settle it, I assure you that you will not be able to go to cost of sales. You will not be able to fill in your other income. So it has to follow that sequence. So after that, after filling all these, the last thing you're filling on this is going to be your capital allowance. And after imputing your capital allowance, you click on proceed. After clicking on proceed, a form will be generated and it will be displayed after the completion of all the schedules. So after that, the next thing for you is to select the currency type. It's going to bring out another currency type for you, because now after doing that, you're not going to make your payment. So you're going to ask for a currency type. You have a Naira, GBP, USD, Euro, and the rest. So when you click on Naira, the next thing is going to ask you for the total revenue amount on the first box of the generated form. If you watch the previous video on VAT, just like the amount you want to pay as the sales. So it's the same thing that's happening here also. You're going to see a box that asks you to fill in your total revenue. And immediately this is done, it's going to request you to click on a declaration box. The moment you click on a declaration box, the next thing that is going to come up with that's going to give you like a disclaimer asking you that do not submit this until you agree with the amount payable. So the next thing is to now agree on the modules, the model of payment. Do you want to make a full payment now, or you want to make instrumental payment? So you have an option to choose between the full payment or instrumental payment. After that, after you must have made your decision, you click on submit, then you click to process the payment. So that is just how you navigate your way through the TaxPro platform when you want to file your company income tax. Thank you very much.